Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. So the first thing you should do here is you have to open. If you don't have a Shopify yet, then you have to sign up using your email or your Google account. Now once you're here on Shopify, you have to scroll down and click this add application. Now you have to go to Shopify App Store. It will open another tab. And what you're going to do here is you have to look for the search bar or search icon. And this time you have to look for digital downloads. So you have to type it right here. And then after that, press enter or search. Now you will see tons of applications related to digital download. But what you're going to do is to select this one. Now you can read some instructions below to know more about this digital downloads, how it works. And once everything is okay and you know how to use this one, then click install. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. It will open again another tab. And then here you have to click install again. Wait for a couple of seconds again. And then after that, you can now go back to your Shopify and open or go to digital download since it will be automatically added to your Shopify homepage. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to add a product. If you don't have a product yet, tap add product. Once you have added your product, and then what you're going to do next is you have to go to your products and you need to click add digital file. Okay, so let's just say we have added a product already. Now here are your products, and as you can see beside it, you'll see this add digital files. So all you have to do is to click that one. You must have your digital product. And all you have to do is to import that or add that from your device. Let's just say from your computer or laptop. So you have to add files right here. Once you have added that file, then what you're going to do next is you just have to simply go to save and then preview. Another thing, you must set this fulfillment type to automatically send files, and it's up to you the maximum files that you want to send, if it's unlimited or just specific number. And then yeah, after that, tap save, and then you can now preview or go to your store and see the result of your digital product. Okay, so as you can see, this file added, you can now go to preview and then see the result. As easy as that. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.